Welcome to the AI Prosperity Hub, your source for decoding the future of artificial intelligence, one breakthrough at a time. The landscape of online shopping is changing rapidly. At the heart of this transformation is artificial intelligence, and a wave of new AI-powered tools that are changing how we shop. One such innovation is ChatGPT Shop, an intriguing concept poised to reshape the e-commerce landscape. With its potential to simplify the shopping process and enhance user experience, ChatGPT Shop represents a significant leap forward in the evolution of online retail. The rise of AI in e-commerce is driven by the need for more personalized and efficient shopping experiences. Consumers are increasingly seeking intuitive platforms that understand their needs and preferences. ChatGPT Shop aims to address these evolving demands by leveraging the power of AI. This new approach to online shopping has the potential to empower consumers. It can help them make informed purchasing decisions with ease and convenience. Stay with us as we explore exactly how ChatGPT Shop works and why it might just be your next favorite way to shop online. If you're enjoying this breakdown, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the AI Prosperity Hub, and turn on the bell so you never miss an update on how AI is transforming our world. And if you'd like to support the channel, feel free to tap the thanks button below. Every bit helps us to grow and create more content like this. Forget everything you know about online shopping. ChatGPT Shop is not just another platform. It's your AI-powered personal shopping assistant. It is an AI-powered shopping assistant designed to simplify the process of finding and purchasing products online. Imagine chatting with a knowledgeable assistant who instantly knows your preferences. This assistant understands your needs and guides you towards the perfect products. This is the core concept behind ChatGPT Shop. At its heart, ChatGPT Shop is powered by a sophisticated language model. It's trained on massive amounts of products data, expert reviews, and real-world behavior, so it knows what's worth recommending. This allows it to understand your requests and provide accurate and relevant recommendations. Whether you are looking for a specific item or browsing for inspiration, ChatGPT Shop acts as your personalized shopping companion. It helps navigate the often overwhelming world of online retail. Say goodbye to scrolling through endless pages. ChatGPT Shop makes shopping feel easy as having a chat. Instead of navigating through endless product listings and filters, you interact with ChatGPT Shop through a chat-based interface. This interface mimics the natural flow of a conversation. Just tell ChatGPT Shop what you need, ask questions about specific products, or request recommendations based on your preferences. For instance, you could say, "I'm looking for a new pair of running shoes, something lightweight and breathable for long distances." ChatGPT Shop will process your request and instantly present you with a curated selection of running shoes matching your criteria. It can also provide additional information such as pricing, reviews, and available sizes and colors. This conversational approach makes shopping online more engaging and efficient. It filters the noise for you, so you get to the right product faster, with less effort. A refreshing departure from traditional search engines. Tired for ads and keywords chaos? ChatGPT Shop takes a completely different path, one that's built around you. While search engines rely on keyword matching and often bombard users with sponsored results, ChatGPT Shop prioritizes natural language processing and personalized recommendations, providing an ad-free shopping experience. That's why we've created something different, designed to understand you. This key difference creates a less cluttered and more focused shopping environment where users can concentrate on finding the products they genuinely need and desire. Furthermore, ChatGPT Shop's AI-powered engine continuously learns from your interactions, refining its understanding of your preferences over time. This personalized touch ensures that the recommendations become increasingly tailored to your individual needs and tastes. The absence of intrusive ads further enhances the shopping experience, It's shopping that feels like it was built just for you, not ads, not noise, just effortless discovery. Next, see how ChatGPT Shop makes an impact in real-world shopping. ChatGPT Shop in action real-world applications. The practical uses of ChatGPT Shop are vast and varied, meeting a wide range of shopping needs. Let's explore a few everyday scenarios where it shines. Planning a camping trip? Instead of scrolling through endless listings, just tell ChatGPT Shop, "I need a spacious tent for 4 people, suitable for rainy conditions." It will instantly present you with a curated options of tents that meet your exact requirements. Looking for a birthday gift for your tech-savvy friend? Ask, "What are some cool gadgets for someone who loves technology?" ChatGPT Shop will generate personalized suggestions based on your friend's interests and your budget. These examples show how this assistant simplifies the shopping process for any product or occasion. And here's the best part. You can find ChatGPT Shop right inside ChatGPT. Just start a chat and select Shop feature. It's that easy. From browsing to buying, streamlining purchases. So what happens after you've found the perfect product with ChatGPT Shop? Well, ChatGPT doesn't process payments or complete transactions itself. Instead, once you've chosen an item, the assistant provides you with direct links to trusted retailer websites like Amazon, Best Buy, or brand-specific stores, so you can complete your purchase securely. This setup is intentional. It keeps your personal and payment information in the hands of established, secure platforms, while ChatGPT focuses on what it does best, helping you discover the right product quickly. That separation between product discovery and payment ensures a smoother, safer experience. And what's exciting is that future updates may bring even deeper integrations, like live pricing, real-time inventory, and possibly even in-chat checkout. But for now, ChatGPT Shop serves as your smart, unbiased guide to the right products, while the actual purchase remains just one click away. But this is just the beginning. What ChatGPT Shop represents could reshape the entire future of online commerce. Beyond today, the future of online shopping. ChatGPT Shop isn't just a clever feature, it's a preview of what's coming next in e-commerce. This marks the shift from search-driven shopping to conversation-driven commerce, where AI understands your needs and responds with tailored recommendations instantly. It's a model that's faster, simpler, and more personal. As the technology evolves, we'll likely see deeper integrations, live pricing, inventory updates, and perhaps even one-click purchasing, all within the chat experience. But this evolution also raises a bigger opportunity. To ensure the future of online shopping includes everyone, not just major retailers. That means spotlighting small business, indie creators, and local brands to be represented in the AI discovery process, so their stories, values, and unique offerings can be discovered too. Because when AI-powered shopping becomes more inclusive, it becomes more human, and that's where the real magic lies. So while ChatGPT Shop already changes how we find the right products, its true potential lies in reshaping how we connect with what we buy and who we buy it from. Thanks for watching the AI Prosperity Hub, where we break down the future of artificial intelligence, one innovation at a time. If this video helped you see how AI is changing the way you shop, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you never miss what's next. This video is available in multiple languages. Just click the setting icon and choose the translation that works best for you. Want even more? Become a channel member to unlock exclusive videos, behind-the-scenes breakdowns, and early access to new content. And if you'd like to support this channel directly, just hit the thanks button below. Every bit helps us keep creating content you love. See you in the next one, and remember, shop smart, stay curious, and keep exploring the power of AI.